Get ready to make your dreams a reality at the Cross Creek Student Accommodation in Dallas. Offering a range of spacious 1- and 2-bedroom apartments complete with everything you need for a comfy stay, including cozy beds, ceiling fans, a fireplace, roomy closets, and gorgeous patios where you can sip your morning coffee and take in the stunning views. In addition, you will also have access to a sparkling swimming pool with sun deck, a fully equipped gym, on-site laundry facilities, 2 dog parks for your furry friends to run wild and free, and picnic areas with grills where you can spend your weekends chilling with your flatmates. When it's time for lectures, you'll be just a short 10-minute drive from both the Art Institute of Dallas and Southern Methodist University. And when you're in the mood for a tasty treat, head over to Hank's European Deli and Black Forest Bakery and indulge in their mouth-watering sandwiches, soups, and freshly baked pastries. On holiday nights, make your way to Top Golf Pub and sip on a frothy beer or wine while soaking up the lively vibe. And for all your weekly needs, Walmart Supercenter is conveniently close by. Don't miss out on this ideal home away from home. Book your spot through amberstudent.com today.